going back to total sales, it went from like the low 5-figure mark to this current financial year. I think even like now we've tipped over the 6-figure mark for like the first time. I think I really need to invest in some serious money to really to start getting the business growing again. I got them fully booked. Not one, not two, pretty much my whole team of 20 or so tutors, they're all fully booked, and I had to onboard 4 new tutors just over the past few months.
That is absolutely huge, and it's a testament as well. Today's video is a little bit different. You're not just going to be hearing from my perspective, but you're going to hear from the perspective of Julian, one of my Master Your Tutoring game plan clients. He's a tutoring business owner who shifted his business from low 5-figure sales to making 6 figures for the first time. His transformation has been beyond exceptional. He started working with me, he had a team of 20 tutors, none of whom were fully booked, to now having over 70 students and his team of over 20 tutors being fully booked. Now, I can't wait to share with you Julian's mindset and his approach to business. And I'm going to be 100% honest with you. In sharing Julian's story, I hope to showcase to you his transformation that he's been able to achieve after working with me. And so this video is really designed for the person who is contemplating working with me and wants to find out a little bit more about the type of results I've been able to help my clients. But I also want you to know that if you're someone who isn't quite ready to work with me yet, that is completely okay. Feel free to opt out of this video and watch any of my other videos where you can get free resources, free PDFs, download. The things that I provide are designed to help you grow your business, hopefully to a point where you one day feel, okay, I am ready now to actually take that next step and start working with Lisa. So coming up in this video, Julian shares with you his true experience, the numbers, the team growth, and what it really took for him to scale. If you've ever been curious about what it looks like to work with me, implement my systems, and see real results, then you're in the right place. This is unfiltered feedback from someone who has been in your shoes and has taken the lead. Do you mind sharing with us just who you are, a little bit about the story that got you to where you are today?
Yeah, so I come from an educational background, so with years of experience in schools as a teacher and a leader. So initially, I started my tutoring business during COVID. I just thought that, rather than sitting around and waiting for COVID to be open, borders to be reopened, that I'll just make the most use of the time in lockdown.
So where was your business before we actually connected? Like at what point did you grow your business to?
Yeah, so before we connected, we had I would say around 35 to 40 students and a team of just under 20 tutors. We had the growth. I mean, we did experience we did experience growth, but it was probably pretty slow. I would say slow and steady. There were times where the growth was encouraging and other times where, the growth stagnated. We spent a lot of, I've spent a lot of fun. I spent a lot of financial capital on marketing. So Facebook marketing, even Instagram marketing, we didn't really get anywhere. We probably got like some new inquiries in the single digits through these channels, but I would say it was pretty slow, and considering the amount of money I was spending paying my marketing manager at that time to do up the Facebook ads and Instagram ads, she did a really great job, I must say. But I just felt that we just weren't getting the new enrollments that I was hoping for. I even invested money in running free workshops, hoping that would attract a large crowd and through that gain brand recognition. That itself, I would say, didn't really achieve much success. So that was where I was before. And in terms of the total sales and yearly sales, it was around, I would say, the low 5-figure mark.
Low 5-figure mark per year, is that right?
Yeah, per year.
Okay, how did this actually make you feel? The fact that you'd been investing all this money into paid ads, running free workshops. I guess what was that state of mind for you?
Well, I'm not the one who gives up. But I would say that it was sort of like I was sort of pulling my hair. I'm like, right, I've tried, it's like I've tried all these different strategies and nothing seems to, it did work, but probably it just did not attract the number of new moments that I was hoping to gain out from all of the different methods that I tried. And obviously, it took up a lot of time, a lot of financial capital as well. And yeah, I just seem to be getting nowhere.
How did you find out about me and Tutor Boss?
Yeah, I think it was through the Instagram ads. And I must say, you had some really great content, a lot of, I would say, really helpful advice and really reliable. Given that with Lisa Study Guides, everyone, pretty much everyone who we come across, came across, every single school knew Lisa Study Guides, and yeah, and that was when I'm like, yeah, I'm going to hit the follow button because there is this person who we know who's been successful in running and growing Lisa's study guide. So that's I'll say that's for me, that was a reliable source.
Were there any doubts and fears that you had about working with me while you were thinking about this?
Definitely, I would say in terms of in terms of the I would say the reliability, the credentials, it was all there with you. It was really about the investment that held me back.
Mm.
And I remember, I think jumping onto one of the live calls last year, and pretty much I think one of the comments that you made was, you spent a few thousand invested in this in the Mind Your Tutoring Game Plan program, and once the business experiences growth, then it will pretty much pay for itself. So I think that's what I would say, that was what resonated with me, and I'm like, look,
Mm.
I'm just gonna take a leap of faith, put in the investment, and yeah, I would say that was the turning point. That really, after joining, Mind Your Tutoring Game Plan, and I would say just within a few months, it pretty much, it paid dividends.
I think that when it comes to investing in anything, if you have that attitude of, I'm going to make this work, I'm going to give it my all, there is going to be no failing here. The results that I see from the people who have that type of attitude are far greater and like multiple times the fold of however much they invested into whatever that product or program was.
Really, the game changer has been the marketing. So focusing on so really this heavy focus on word of mouth, that has been a game changer. And
Mm.
so that I'd say what I got out from the program was definitely the word of mouth tutoring, just how powerful that is. And yeah, I would say to date, 60, I would say more than half of our new enrollments, they were from the word of mouth. And even with Google reviews, you've been pushing Google reviews. So since then, I started a Google what do you call that a Google account, got some of my past students, with my networks to give me reviews, and I would say that has also been a big success. So over the past, I would say past 6 months, maybe so I'll probably give it 35 to 40% of new inquiries that came from Google reviews.
That's incredible. I think, and that's the thing, right? A lot of times when it comes to sales and
Mhm.
objections, I
Yeah.
find that when it comes to talking to my clients or even just the Tutor Boss community, when we first hear that no, I'm not interested, I feel like so many of us just go, oh, okay, that's fine then. Well, let's just move on. Well, we'll talk about something else, or maybe they're not even the right ideal fit. But actually, it's so great to hear that the program helped you navigate that and help you realize actually there is
Mhm.
opportunity here, and you've worked so hard to bring in these leads. Surely there's a way for you to actually monetize those leads. And I think a lot of the time it is just that educational piece of, okay, like I know you're interested in person tutoring, and absolutely fair, but Have you considered these elements of online tutoring and talking about the pros?
And I think another skill that I really took out was, yeah, so rather than talking at the parents or at the students, which I've always done, to really, talking to them, working with them, what their fears are, and what pretty much what's holding them back, listening to them, and really offering them solutions, and really and using and really showcasing our expertise and letting them feel safe. So yeah, that has been another one of my big. I mean, I've had so many big takeaways from the program, but
What are the most significant results or improvements you've actually seen in your tutoring business since completing the program?
in the last financial year and with the same goes with the previous financial years, it has pretty much been stagnating around the low five-figure mark. And yeah, since finishing the Mind Your Tutoring game plan, this financial year, it's this total sales has, I would say, more than doubled. So I would say even close to tripling compared to before sign up to your program. The number of students, I think we've gone from 40 or so students to now, I think I've got around, I mean, from the top of my head, around 70 students and a team of over 20 tutors. Even I would say the first few months of 2025 this year, yeah, I was getting like new enrollments non-stop. So through the Google Forms or through text messages, phone calls. So from prospective students and parents, it pretty much was non-stop. And it got to the point where I'm like, yeah, all my tutors who I'd say in the previous year, I was struggling to fill them up. And it got to the point where with all those tutors who I initially struggled to fill them up with students, I got them fully booked. Not one, not two, pretty much my whole team of 20 or so tutors, they were all fully booked, and I had to onboard four new tutors just over the past few months.
So incredible. Well done.
Yeah,
Hope you pat
so
yourself on the
really,
back.
so in terms of going back to total sales, it went from like the low five-figure mark to this current financial year. I think even like now we've tipped over this six-figure mark for like the first time.
Yes, congratulations. That is absolutely huge. And it's a testament as well. Yes, you got the resources, but having the resources doesn't in itself do anything. It's the
Yeah.
actual implementation of the work and the dedication that you clearly have. So, congratulations. That's absolutely incredible. You were saying before we jumped onto this call that your business now is pretty much hands off, which I think really ties into the fact that you've got this financial freedom, but also time freedom to
Mhm.
travel and make your 84th
Yeah.
country. What would you say is the biggest transformation for you and your business as a result of Tutor Boss?
Yeah, definitely the finances. That's like the number one. Yeah, so I would say the biggest transformation was definitely getting my business tutor all fully booked out. Getting also not only one tutor, but pretty much my whole team fully booked out. And obviously, and in turn, that had a major positive impact on the financial flow of the business. And as I've said, yeah, just in terms of total sales, making close to three times the amount that I was previously making pre Mind Your Tutoring game plan, and yeah, ticking over the six-figure mark for the first time since starting my business. So definitely that has been my biggest transformation since sign up to your program.
Yeah, congratulations. Honestly, so great to hear. Incredible. Thank you so much. Thank you
Yeah,
for
that's right, my pleasure.
showing up and agreeing to share your
Yeah.
experience because obviously, as we know, like actually being able to hear from a client who's actually done the program, you what your genuine thoughts are, where you were before, your experience in it, and then where you are now can really
Yeah.
help people understand if it's the right fit for them. Yeah, and it's just been so great, honestly, staying connected with you,
Yeah.
getting your DMs every now and then. You just
Oh
pop up
yeah.
in my DMs and you're like, Lisa, I reached this new milestone. I hit a new revenue milestone or income milestone. That I think to me personally is like why I do Tutor Boss, because I can actually build these relationships with
Yeah.
really awesome people doing really awesome things. Julian's results speak for themselves. 3 times revenue growth, a booked out team, and real financial freedom ever since he started his business journey. If you're aiming to double or triple your sales, move from part-time to full-time capacity in your work, or transition to hands-off ownership, his journey is proof that it is possible. Ask yourself, what would these numbers mean for you and your business? If you're ready to move past trial and error and implement proven systems, the same ones that I teach in Master Your Tutoring Game Plan, then I invite you to discover more about the program and see if it's the right fit for you. The link is going to be in the description box, and I'll pop it up in the link above as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions about Julian's journey, about my programs, working with me, then feel free to leave them in the comment section below, or you can even send me a DM on Instagram at I'm Lisa Tran. All right, tutor bosses, I can't wait for the next few videos, which are going to be valuable gems to help you scale your tutoring business. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.